Hi my Twitter friends. Just practicing with my bunny ears. I don't think it very hard to sell chocolate. Today my mommy and I are going to auditions for something called a Easter Bunny. Going to give the Easter Bunny a run for his money. I am so much cuter than a bunny and these ears are kind of ridiculous. Bunnies don't lay eggs, so what's the big deal? Bunnies are so dumb. That's why they call them harebrains. So the new symbol for Easter should be a Easter kitty. I don't like chocolate, only fish treats, but I do like playing with Easter eggs. Have you ever seen a bunny playing with Easter eggs? Wish me luck. Bye for now.